Do you really need a wet and dry shop vac? Yes, yes you do. Go buy one right away. There you go. You don't need to watch the rest of the video, but watch it anyway. I'm going to tell you why and a couple of cool features on this Vacmaster that I bought from Amazon for less than £100. Right, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that have been before and those of you that have never been before, Dan Yorks. Just a quick video today, and it's a bit of a different video. I'm doing a review on this shop vac. Now, I have not had this shop vac sent to me. I didn't get it for free. I've purchased it with my own money through Amazon, but I'm that impressed with it that I thought I'd do a little video just in case you're thinking about buying one. Definitely go get one. They're brilliant. I'm going to tell you why. So if you are one of my returning viewers, you can see this old boat in the background that we've been doing a series of videos on as we're refurbing this boat, very slowly in a snail record pace time. During the refurb of the boat, I was clearing all the mud out. This boat had been sunk and it was full of mud, so I needed to clear it all out. And I have had a shop vac in the past. I've used them. I had a cheap one from Screwfix, like a 50 quid one, which served me well when I was refurbing a rental house. But the wheels on it broke and this, that and the other, and I thought maybe time for a new one. So I wanted to spend a bit more money, but I still wanted to stay below £100. And I come across this Vacmaster, and I got it through Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments so you can see this exact one that I bought, and you can use the link if you want to purchase it yourself. So, cool thing about this Vacmaster is it's got a couple of features. It's got all your usual features, you know. It's got the long cable, pretty much standard that comes with all of them. The top comes off so you can empty this steel bin out. But this one varies a little bit. It's got this extra little socket attached to it. So, if you want to use power tools, which most people are using battery power tools these days, but if you have got a bit of an old-fashioned plug-in tool, like I use this, it's dead easy. Instead of having extension leads running everywhere, this one plugs into there. You put it on that setting, and the cool thing is, when you actually start the tool up, excuse the noise, so when you actually start the tool up, it automatically starts the vacuum for you and turns it off. When you turn the tool on, it starts the vacuum automatically. Turn the tool off, a few seconds later, turns the vacuum off. Really cool feature, especially I was cutting some floorboards in the bathroom, and you can imagine the dust that makes. This took a huge majority of it away, made a massive difference. So, let me bring you to the wet feature. The main thing I bought this for was getting rid of all the mud and sludge out the boat, and you can see in this video that I'll snip in that video, you can see the amount of mud and sludge that came out. But just to show you a little demonstration here, I've got a bucket of water here. I'm going to show you how good the pump is on it when it's pumping the water out. Again, excuse the noise. Right, so you can see how quick that emptied that bucket, and it's almost dry. It's that good. Now, that's why we used it on the boat, but we had a bit of an incident just before Christmas. We had a bit of a party, and somebody left the tap running full blast in my downstairs toilet, and it overflowed the sink. It flooded the bathroom floor. It was quite a bit of a mess. And I got the mop out as you do, and it wasn't touching it. And my wife, I'll give her credit, I don't very often give her credit, but I will this time, she said go use your wet and dry vac. I went and got this out the shed, and oh my gosh, it absolutely sucked the water up off the floor in a record time. What a difference it made. It probably made the difference between damaging the floor in the downstairs toilet and having to replace it. It got it that dry quick. I mean, I paid 89 quid for this. I've already had my money back just in that one incident. So if you are thinking about having a shop vac, a wet and dry, you won't go wrong with this for 90 quid. Well worth the money. Even if you just have to one clear up in a bathroom like that, it's made it worthwhile. It comes with different attachments, you know, so you can, if you've got different size power tools, you can cut that down to fit. It's got all the usual brush attachments for cleaning your car, that kind of stuff. I didn't buy it for cleaning my car. I bought it for my my little projects. But I've used it so much. And the good thing is, when it's full of water, all you do, take the hoses off, take it to the drain, empty it out. Easy as that. Right into the drain. It really couldn't be any easier. And you can spend hundreds and hundreds of pounds on these things, but that one, so handy, and it's less. I mean, I paid £89.99 for that. So I'll leave a link. Check it out. Go buy one. Leave us a comment. See what you think of it. I think it's an absolute bargain for 90 quid, and it's one tool I'll always have now. Let us know what you think of it. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos.